how to change the background color in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Notion. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your docs, projects, and wikis live. From here, click on the page you want to customize. It could be your daily planner, a project overview, or even a notes page, totally up to you. Now, let's talk about changing the background color. Find a text block, either an empty one or one that already has content. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll see 6 dots appear to the left side. Click on those dots. A menu will pop up with several options. You want to click on Color. This will open up a little palette with tons of background colors to choose from. Notion gives you a good range from soft neutrals to bold, vibrant tones. Click on any background color that catches your eye, and your text block is now updated with the new background color. You can do this for multiple blocks on your page to add structure, highlight important sections, or just give it some aesthetic flair. And that's it, you've successfully changed the background color in Notion. If this tutorial helped, make sure to check out our other Notion guides to get the most out of your setup. See you in the next video.